Well, hello everyone from a very warm Sattahip just south of Pattaya, and I'm at a nice little cafe today. The Bikers Cafe, and here it is. It's quite a unique little cafe, as its name suggests. It's all about motorbikes, so let's go in and have a look. This is the entrance as you come in. It's got some nice quirky little artwork. As I say, the fountain is a bike. So as you come through the doors, you get greeted with these two sculptures of bikes. You can see they're all made up of bits and pieces here. Your back of brake linings for the tank, flywheels for your foot pegs. Quite a nice bit of sculpture going on there. And on the other side you've got another bike, all with heads, skulls, more futuristic bike. Both have got these tyres with the chains. Obviously just for show. And they've got some nice little features in here. Up on the wall. Everyone's there. Got some nice little models you can look at. And you got the Elvis. So we got a V31 Visa here. Very nice condition there. That's original. And a Triumph, Delta Head Triumph, 1953. Very good. Oh, the distinguished gentleman's ride, which is picking up all over the place now. And even when you look at the menu, here's the drinks menu. You got Ducati Wake Up Espresso, Harley Davidson Latte, Yamaha Latte. All the coffees and all the drinks are named after major brands of motorbikes. You've got the Nortons, Beezers, Triumph English Lipton tea, you've got Beezer peppermint tea, and you've got a Norton fruit tea. So everything is named after a bike, and it's quite reasonably priced. If you come down and you want the menus do Western and Thai food, so it's a fusion of both. So, and again, it's very reasonably priced. So very good menu and drinks.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
You come into the toilets, it's even bike orientated. How's that for handlebars? If you're a little bit unsteady on your feet. And even the sculpture going around the columns is a scooter. Also got bikes for sale here. So all these bikes are for sale.
Yeah, I feel good when I'm with you, darling.
For sculptures of front ends. It's a nice little bike, little monkey bike there. Very nice. Oil pump. Quite a nice little garden you've got going on here. This is obviously the outside, so there's lots of seating outside. Rocking chair there, made into a bike. Nice gardens, you can walk around. Also, if you don't want to sit at in the restaurant, looks like they've got a buffet area as well. So you can just sit in there, have something to eat without the formality of the restaurant side. Quite nice bit of sculpture going on there. Looks like the front end of this sculpture, you've got gas canisters at the top of the suspension. So you've got bikers cafe, well, those Hondas, bike cafe, well, so it's quite a nice cafe really. If you're down Sattahip, I'll leave a description or a link where it is in the box below. So if you're down this way in Sattahip, come down, have a look, have something to eat, and enjoy. Let's carry on. This is inside the buffet bar, so you can just sit there, all aircon. Sit in here, have something to eat. Quite unusual. You've got the little pussycat going through there. Quite a nice little setup, really. Everywhere you look is bike orientated. Very good. And the old rocket. Shall we have a look or shan't we have a look? Courser tyres, super courser tyres. That doesn't look like it's had much wear. That looks brand new if it's never been on the road.
You can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
Another oil. Looks like we've got a little gecko in the middle there somewhere. Let's see if we can see him. There he is. There he goes. He's up there somewhere. This little monkey bike, I just noticed, it's got fishing rods on the front there. Oh, it's just all for little novelty bikes. Looks like it's for taking your fish, go fishing. You can take the bike. You've got everything with you. Little bike rack, fishing rack, everything there. So there you have it. If you you're down this way, Sattahip, down just on the main road, just off. I'll say the link will be in the description. So come down, enjoy yourself, and do some lovely food and drink. So until the next time, stay safe. But if you do like the content, please smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and any comments you make I will respond to. Right, until next time, I'll see you later.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single